Welcome, and thank you for your interest in the EPS Cost Management Suite, the leading costing system for the manufacturing industry. If you have any questions about the contents in this video, please feel free to contact us at your earliest convenience. First, an introduction to our company. EPS is a software and consulting company located in Atlanta, Georgia that specializes in cost management systems. We have customers in North America, Europe, and China. We have special cost management competence for complex and process manufacturing industries. Our customers include well-known manufacturing companies like Lattice Semiconductor, SCA, UPM Kumina, Boise, Mondai, and many more. We have a strong partnership with Tieto, one of the world's largest IT providers. The EPS Cost Management Suite is designed for the manufacturing industry and is made up of three modules: EPS Real-Time Costing, EPS Product Cost Management, and EPS Transportation Cost Management. Customers can decide to implement one, two, or all of these modules based on their needs. Here follows an introduction to the three modules. The EPS Real-Time Costing modules empowers production managers to be the first line of defense against inefficient and costly production practices. This is done by providing production staff with information in real time how their decisions impact production costs. In this example, we can see the cost profile of a production batch. To the left, we can see a blue column. This is the target cost for the batch at 100%. To the right, we can see another blue column. This is the actual cost for the batch at 96%. In other words, the batch was produced at 4% cost less the target. This is good, but it does not explain what was done to achieve this. In this real-life example, the production staff was experimenting with a new chemical to increase the machine speed. This red column shows the chemical costs were increased. These other red columns show that the electricity and steam costs were much higher than the target. The higher costs for chemicals and energies were compensated by reduced machine costs due to the higher production speed thanks to the new chemical. This kind of insight into production costs can provide an extremely value-competitive advantage in running the machines, dosing the chemicals, product development, and machine scheduling. The EPS Product Cost Management module helps manufacturing companies to increase the accuracy, timeliness, and detail in their product costing process. The module has the following functionality that is especially developed for the manufacturing industry: product, bill of material, and specification management that allows for unlimited number of versions for standard, actuals, and trials. Pricing management, where material and energy pricing can be managed in an unlimited number of price list versions for current, future, and historic pricing. Standard costing, actual costing, cost simulations and what-if analysis. Short-term cost forecasting based on production schedules from the manufacturing execution system. Long-term cost forecasting based on sales forecast or production plans. The EPS Transportation Cost Management module helps manufacturing companies to identify opportunities for transportation cost savings and to increase the transportation effectiveness. In this example, we can see a transportation cost analysis for a selected customer. To the left, we can see a blue column. This is the planned transportation cost for this customer, $102.59 per ton. To the right, we can see another blue column. This is the actual transportation cost for this customer, $102.99 per ton. It may seem like this is a very small difference, but in practice there are many cost savings opportunities that may not be obvious and which would not be detected without a system like the EPS Transportation Cost Management module. For example, the freight rate, the first leg shipments, the storage and handling fees, the use mode for transport are not optimal. In this example, there are actionable saving opportunities of $3.67 per ton, which would have reduced the actual transportation cost to $99.32 per ton. This was a short introduction to the 3 modules in the EPS Cost Management Suite. We hope you have found this presentation interesting and useful. If you have any questions about the contents in this video, please feel free to contact us at your earliest convenience. Goodbye, and thank you for your interest in the EPS Cost Management Suite, the leading costing system for the manufacturing industry.